The Rukam inscription in Paragon goes back to the year 907 Anno Domini. This historical site is a source of information about a settlement of lost residents. The people and their homes were buried after ferocious volcanic eruptions. Deep in the hinterland around Mount Sindoro, about 80 kilometers north of the city of Yogyakarta, traces of this civilization that got lost for thousands of years were only rediscovered in 2008. The legacy of the ancient Mataram kingdom is still visible. Some of the buildings of this civilization still exist until today. Volcanoes are an important part of the Earth's natural process. They serve as some kind of stress release for the high tension that is building up underneath our feet within what we call tectonic plates. The Earth's crust is not stable. There are many broken pieces of crust floating on top of the mantle, and these pieces slowly move around the Earth as they slip, slide and push against each other. In areas where tectonic plates meet, there is a lot of volcanic activity. Despite the importance of volcanoes, they can cause a lot of destruction to human civilization. Volcanoes can be spectacular, but they can also be very destructive. In this video, you can see the advanced civilization that existed on Java 2000 years ago, where it was destroyed and buried by the fierce eruption of Mount Sindoro, Merapi, Merbabu, Sumbing and other mountains. This is a problem with volcanoes and the amount of damage they cause. Too many people are living too close to volcanoes, as they have done for thousands of years. In Indonesia, the Merapi mountain is one of the volcanoes that is almost continuously erupting, and the flowing lava has been known to endanger communities, forcing people to leave their homes. If we want to save ourselves from the devastating effect of volcanoes, the best would be to stay away from them.